In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can deactivate your Instagram account and how you can revive it after disabling it temporarily. First, I want to explain to you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. In order to do so, you open your Instagram and you head over to settings. Here you can search deactivation. Just remember, don't search deactivate because it's deactivation, and if you search deactivate, it will tell you there are no results, just like that. So you don't want to type the whole thing, just DEA would be enough, and then we tap on it. We choose our Instagram account. And here it says deactivating or deleting your Instagram account, deactivate or delete. So it's on deactivation, and it says deactivating your account is temporary while deleting your account is permanent. So we want to deactivate it temporarily. I'm going to go ahead, tap continue. So as you can see, you can only deactivate your account once every week. And because I have already deactivated this account, in the last 7 days. It doesn't let me do that. It says you need to wait 4 more days in order to do that. So let's try the same thing on my other account. So now it says your Instagram account will be deactivated, and it's showing me what my account is. And because my Instagram account was associated with a Threads account, Instagram is telling me the following will also be deactivated. My Threads account, which is associated with that Instagram account. It's also showing me some data. You'll lose access to the following info, like your followers, the amount of posts that you have, and everything else. And if I tap continue, it's asking me for my password because obviously Instagram doesn't want you to disable or deactivate someone else's account by mistake. So you need to know the password. And just like that. Oh, sorry. It's asking me why you want to deactivate your account. You can choose anything you want. It's not really important. I'm just going to say I need a break and tap continue. Okay, also there is this option here that you can choose for your account to be reactivated in maybe 1 to 7 days. You also have the option, don't reactivate automatically. So we're going to tap on that because I don't want my account to be reactivated automatically. And then I'm going to tap continue, confirm temporary account, deactivate account. And just like that, my account is deactivated. If somebody searches for my username, they will not find my account. As you can see, it says this profile is not available. No matter how many times I refresh my page, it says user not found. And as you can see, that account is deactivated. Now, let's say I want to revive my account. I want to make it come back to life. So I'm gonna choose log into existing account. And here you need to type in your username and password. Now Instagram is asking me if I want to save my login info, which is actually a good thing. If this device is yours, it's better to save your login info. So next time you want to log in, you don't need to remember your password. You can, if you save it, you can just tap login and go ahead. So as you can see, my account is activated again. And if I go to the other account and search for it this time, I'm gonna see everything. So basically, in order to reactivate a disabled account, you just need to log in That's it. I hope this helps, and don't forget to protect your data and take care.